Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Sharma. I'm your computer teacher. Today's topic is Introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. General purpose means Python is used to develop any kind of the application. Whether we want to develop a web application, mobile application or machine learning application and many more. Python is a high level language. In computer, there are two types of languages are there. First one is low level language, another one is high level language. Low level language means machine dependent code. That means this type of the code is only understood by the computer. High level language means the code is written simple in English language, which is used by a user for any of the program very easily. Now, father of Python is Guido van Rossum. Nowadays, many of applications are developed in Python. Are YouTube, Facebook, Firefox, Mozilla and Instagram. All these applications are developed in Python. Features of Python are: Python is very easy to learn and write the programs using this language. Python is case sensitive language, means capital A and small a both have different meaning. By using Python, the lines of the code in a program can be minimized than any other languages. So now we will learn how to install a Python in our system. For this, you have to write a www.python.org in your search bar. Now, enter. Then, Python web page will display to your screen. Now, downloads. Now, downloads for Windows, click on Python 3.8.4. Click on this. Then, .exe file is downloaded in your system. Once its download is complete, then click on the run button. It takes a little bit time. Now see, this .exe file is downloaded in your system. Now click on this. Now this dialog box is open. Then click on run button. Then the installation of your Python is start when you click on the install now. Before this, you have to check mark this add Python 3.82 path, then click on install now. The installation of Python in your system is started. Now see, setup was successful. This message is displayed. Now click on close. See, the Python is installed in your system. For how can you use it? See, for this you have to click on the start button, then click on IDLE Python package. This. Now this screen is visible to your screen. This screen is known as Python shell. See, here we can write any command and click on the run button. Then the output is displayed on the screen. Like if you want to display a hello world on this screen, how can you do it? Use a print command for this function. Print bracket double quotes. You have to write a text in a double quotes that we want to display in a screen. Hello world. Now bracket close. Now press enter. Hello world is displayed on the screen. This is a Python shell. In this command, each command is executed only one time. Now when we click on the file, new file, then the another window is open. This another window is known as scripting window, where we write a code and save that file using .py extension. Here we can write a code and that code can be reused for the further operations. Now if we want to display a hello world on the screen, follow these steps. Print hello world. Now click on the run module. F5 is the shortcut key to run. Before this run, you have to save this file. For this, click on the save as, then type a name of the file. One. The extension for Python file is .py. See. Save. Now we save this file. Now run it. Run. The display of that command is shown in a Python shell window. See, hello world. So in this way we use this Python. Now we will discuss our next topic is variable. What is variable? A variable is like a memory location where we can store a value. Once we store a value in the variable, it may or may not change in the future. Declaration of variable in a Python. Variable is created as soon as we assign a value to it. It does not need any command unlike any other programming language. For example, x is equal to 100, y is equal to RPS. X contains the value of 100 and y contains the value of RPS. When we print these values, we write like print bracket x bracket close, then the output of this command, it displays 100 to the Python shell. If we want to store anything in a computer, we must reserve a memory in a computer. For accessing that memory location, we need a name of that memory. For that accessing, we require a name. For this, we use a variable. By using the variable name, we can able to access that memory location where we store our data and use that data for our processing. By using the variable, we can also able to perform arithmetic operations on these variables like plus, minus, subtraction and many more. Rules for writing a variable name. Our first rule is variable name must be begin with a letter or underscore, and rest of the characters in a variable name may be anything like numbers, digits or underscore. Our second rule is variable names are case sensitive, means capital B and small b both have different variable names. Third rule is reserved words cannot be used as a variable name because reserved words have a predefined meaning in the computer system of Python software, like print command which is used to print a text on the Python shell. So print cannot be used as a variable name. For example, we declare different types of variable like h is a variable name which contains the value of variable, that is 10. The value of the variable put in a double quotes. This is the h type of the variable which contains the value of h. Another type of the variable we create underscore a equal to double quotes, put a value this. Syntax error because cannot assign to operator. We use a operator. Our variable name must be begin with a alphabet or underscore. So write underscore a equal to double quotes 6, enter. So this is a valid variable name. We can also use a, b, c equal to double quotes 8, 9, enter. If you want to print a value of h on the Python shell screen, which command we used? We used print command for this purpose, like print bracket. If you want to display h values, h bracket close, then enter. See, h value is 10, 10 values display.